This is some good pizza. Gotta fold it up, New York style. First off, I'd like to say I'm sorry for not posting in the past 4 days, but nothing is happening in the tropics, in the Atlantic, in the Eastern Pacific, the Central Pacific, in the Western Pacific. Nothing is happening. And this is truly expected. We're not supposed to see the gears start to turn until August. We've already had 2 hurricanes, which is faster than normal. Is that going to mean more named storms, more hurricanes, more major hurricanes possibly making landfall? No, it's just a coincidence. But what we've seen earlier this July is definitely out of the norm. We're not supposed to see 2 hurricanes. Or can you even call Burl a hurricane? That thing was just so small. But right now, let me give you the super quick update on what's happening in the tropical Atlantic. Even though it's quiet, there's a little update I have to give you. Burl, which was somewhat alive in the last video, it was still an invest, but later became a subtropical storm at 40 miles per hour. It soon quickly lost all of its convection, probably as soon as it was named a subtropical storm. So it was really only a subtropical storm for around 4 hours, then completely lost it. But then Burl still kept going to the northwest and then made some showers in Newfoundland, Canada, and that's it from there. It dissipated because of the cooler waters of the ocean temperature around Newfoundland. But other than that little Burl action in the past 3 days, nothing has happened in the Atlantic, as there's nothing expected to form within the next 5 days up to a week. Nothing. We are right now in the middle of July in the 2018 hurricane season, which means the water temperatures are just warming up right now to get to the September high peaks, and the Saharan dust of Africa is coming strong. Wakanda forever, but there's pouring dust all over the Atlantic Ocean, just inhibiting anything from forming. All those tropical waves coming off Africa, they're just deteriorating. While in the Pacific, we're watching 2 different possible disturbances to form over the next possible 5 days, but they're not likely. None of the models are picking it up, especially the GFS. It's not likely to form, but one of the disturbances has a 30% chance over the next 5 days, and the other one has a 20% chance. But does this truly matter, since it's just going to be out in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, just affecting the fish? As much as I love talking about all the tropical updates, there just aren't any for today, but consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one for another official drop.